Hi guys, in this video I will install ice light bulbs. This is how they looks. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Here we connect plus to plus and minus to minus. If you connect the other way around, then they will not be headsets. Friends, to show the difference, turn on the headlight before installation. Here we connect wires plus to plus and minus to minus. Now guys, here is the final result. That's all guys, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.